Greetings, everybody.
Of course.
And welcome to another episode of the Upnlive Show. We are your Upnlive Show team. We are here every Tuesday between 9 and 11. We're sponsored by Shush Prince. And you know, we bring the vibes each and every week with special guests or special guest. This evening will be Black Knight Sound. I mean, legendary. We have to put legendary upon the name, you know. Legendary. You understand?
So we call it the past and the present.
The past and the present.
Yeah.
They are here.
Make sure.
So make sure that you like the video, share the live, talk about it, tell your friend them to forward over, yeah, so, because I beer vibes.
And we would like to state this, you know, we need to start the show like saying,
Upnlive
show. Yeah, that
what in Zion?
No, I want it be clear. Things always say here so is more informative and more educational for the viewers if you're a new viewer,
yes,
you're a new watcher.
Definitely.
So I know there's a lot because we have to state this in the car. You know, me overlook that thing from what year because since the pandemic start, we have a whole heap of different shows start, a whole heap of different type of programs start. And we like to emphasize that everybody we're out there, but then we have to differentiate ourselves amongst the crowd.
From the crowd.
You just want to get there.
Yes, me just want to make this known.
That's where he gonna start.
You just want to warm up this, you know?
No,
warm up.
Serious. No, we have to make it known because...
Make them know.
Well, you know, first, I don't complain about rum because every week, I don't know rum at Rasa do the rum, you know, like Dandy Shandy, me and the rum I play, you know.
You know, so we're gonna buy one little coffee table and put it right.
Yeah, so.
It cannot be on the table, sir.
No, put your foot then.
We don't put rum on the ground. We're going to buy a little coffee table.
No, you see, every week when I come here.
And we're going to put it right. Bring the bar to your foot. Sorry.
Me I watch how much time we have to talk and how much drinks me have in my cup. I don't want that something that reach me that week.
We will make you a drink in a second.
You'll get a drink.
Right. No, bear with us while we...
We see hardball.
Yeah.
No, we are say stated factual. Yeah. So wherever we say here, so we don't say things lightly. We're not always right, but we try our best to be as factual as possible.
All right, we go hardball, you know. So here one.
Get that out of the way.
So what now over the weekend? So I'm going to just jump in on the weekend really quick and just dissect that thing there. And then we talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly.
Friday was Shed Crew. Shed Crew big up itself.
Yeah.
It was as per usual. It was a nice vibe.
Nice vibe on the Shed Friday.
On a Friday.
Always.
Saturday we jump over to Magnum Fridays Showcase, which happened. It was a good look. I mean, artists them forward out and them do them thing. Glitches here and there, situations here and there, but at the end of the day, the showcase went on.
Hold on.
Yeah, we're
as
going
you
to
talk
get
about
there.
Magnum Friday. You know, I don't understand. People are bad mind, you know.
Bad mind.
You know, I don't want you want to talk Jamaican.
Because me on my side
you
because I wasn't
me?
there. So
what
me
you
I'm
know?
give you my...
All right.
So you did that.
All right.
Yeah.
So obviously, whatever happened with the hosts and Ray, but you have other people that keeping similar events was in the comment trolling the people. I say, yo, everybody talk about UK dancehall and bill each other, but when it come on to the billing part, fuck Ronaldo, because you Ronaldo. Instead of when you link a man have the era attack, when I troll a man in the comment section and then when I have the audacity next day, someone will talk certain things, because let me show you a vibe now. A lot of who me hear a talk or a critique thing, like that, we don't know if bother with something, you know, because
no, everybody is allowed their opinion.
Everybody's no opinion.
Yeah.
And for tear down a man is different from troll.
Yeah.
See? And me and them are troll certain thing, and yeah, there are certain things we could have done better. We agree with it and we see it, but obviously sometimes something happen which is out of the promoters' control. You get me? And out of the artists and the host them and a whole part thing go on. But you have some people, you know, I think it's just fucking wrong, just some low blow or some comment me there I read and I say, yo, because this is gone personal now.
Because you did that from the inside view, or you did it at the show. I watch it from. I mean, it's supposed to follow that still.
Yeah.
Yeah. Finish where you say. I don't want to cut you.
So basically, I can't remember what the other host name was feeding for.
Her name is Curvy.
Clarendon Curvy and Lord Boss D, you know.
Yes.
Go on with them things. Shirley show. Yes. Everything happen. And basically, you have some people from them see the change of host. They start make them talking.
No, I was one of the people as well.
Yeah. You was one of the people, and we understand the thing. These things happen last minute, and some of the time, if you want good, what them say, you know what's a road sometime, right?
Yeah. Exactly.
We understand. Say, yo, dancehall in the UK is on a up.
It
so
is.
which it be an up, we don't want to start but like a negative energy there. We're going into the summer.
Right.
We want everything positive and like, me just most of it, me and I show and I watch the comments them and think and I say, yo, something is just wrong because I see people, I make some comment, they're acting like
Children.
their brand or their platform
Is way better.
is like, what do I call it? Like you are BBC and this is just some nobody. I say, yo, that's not nice. In a nice record, you want to know.
It's not nice.
Anybody if you go on so, make Sasha go on so. And Sasha never go on so. Sasha did on the show and Sasha watch the show.
And she was
everything
enjoying
good. She
and
enjoyed.
interacting.
I mean, yeah, some people just make some nasty comment dark. When you're this a man personal, this you kind of cross the line because this you have nothing to do with showmanship in a dog.
It's gone past it.
Gone way past.
I mean, I like them things. I mean, I want to load up nobody. Cause we not do mix up, you know.
Yeah, but it's not mixed
It's
up.
facts.
It's true. It's
Facts.
facts.
And
It's
like
facts.
more see it and watch it even the live the other day after where bread back though. I mean I say yo, the live bread back you have to take a while, you know, cause the live there I don't think you should have even do it.
My opinion on that live, the intention that he had was very pure, but the way how it turned out because of how people were commenting and what people were saying within the comments, he tried to clarify a lot of things that was being said.
Yeah.
It kind of never turned out. This is my opinion. It never turned out the way he wanted to turn out.
Yeah.
But the information that needed to be said and needed to be shared was shared. That's my opinion.
That's because I joined.
Because you joined the live
Yeah.
as well.
He
Yeah,
asked
yeah,
me
yeah.
to join the
yeah.
live.
Yeah.
And I did some of people. But what from my point of view, watching the live, because I was playing somewhere at a little party, and me say me I go and watch a live thing.
Right.
Yeah.
And me I watch because the live versus the comment section is two
Totally
different things.
Totally different.
We understand what is going on screen because the thing itch and it stick, so people get frustrated.
Right.
So because obviously you get frustration from that, then you start pay attention to the comments.
Right.
And
But because I don't really want to call them name because
No, we're
it
not.
don't seem like mix up.
That's
Because
irrelevant.
some man
That's irrelevant.
yo, you know look good dog, we don't know if you do them sit there.
And I mean,
we're
we're
a big man and woman, you can't depend people ever talk them.
And
thing
we're
there.
here
And
trumping-
then on the flip side of it, una do the same thing in the dog.
Yeah.
or even
Because
worse.
Yeah.
when I see industry and we say yo, you can't tear down a man. You see a man or something that go bad for a man, don't tear him down.
Yes, yeah, exactly. And that's what I was about to say. We're here trumping unity. We're saying it, but we're not practicing it. And it really doesn't help because we're going to be stuck at stage one.
And to me, the show good only problem.
The Wi-Fi was a major
probably-
issue.
I don't know. Who would like what you can't show me the day.
Yeah.
Show it nice, me enjoy myself.
Yeah.
So someone that show never did it, that's why I just saw you go.
All right. So I realize two different aspects because who know then I studio and I see it.
And you're on the
and
live.
Everybody out
Right.
so I see a different angle.
Right.
I think the management had a big fault in this. Because if somebody is advertised, if we get ESAO Alkaline and Movado a forward for one show, and me know say I them go up on the show. And when we reach the show, me not say Alkaline. Me say Movado. People are gonna query that.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
That was
Bread
addressed.
You want a beating for that. Bread
Yeah.
back, you want a beating for that because you wanna know you as a promoter, you should have put that out at the forefront because yo.
Yeah.
The method.
You have to blame a man when him go wrong, you know. Bread
Fine.
back. You need to get a beating for that
Yeah.
because you know you never state the clear answer, yo. You forever Sasha was the host, but last minute change, so we have to change it up. You know,
Understandable.
have to get in nitty-gritty with the crowd. Announce to the people and let them know what
Yeah,
I want.
or as Neo when she was on the live, she stated it. Let your host say it, or let the host who were supporting
But-
the production mention it.
But-
Obviously, because people are going to be questioning.
It could be work still, but here it could have worked. You see? Because Sasha and Dio has been doing it for a while.
Right.
So all they needed to do is let Dio be the main host. Because when you're hosting with someone, as much as you want to bounce off of people,
Right.
she is just fitting into the farm.
Understandable.
So all she needed to do was take like a second, just play half a Dio role. I see she was trying to do that, but then at times she was left on her own to do her own thing, and which she kind of struggled.
Right. But at the end of the day, for someone who forwarded at last minute
Yeah.
and took on such a
She-
big role,
ex-
she did an extremely good job.
Exactly. But
Yes,
the comment, they
the,
make it
the
harder.
comments made it
The
harder.
wicked people.
But for the first time doing a live
Yeah.
hosting My words aren't coming out. Hosting a live event for the first time.
It's not easy.
It's not an easy thing, especially when you have a lot of chattering in the background happening, and you know people are having their own conversations. Your mind are gonna go somewhere else. But for big up yourself, Curvy Clarendon. Am I saying her name correctly?
Big up yourself.
Yeah, but
Clarendon Curvy
Devo.
Hold on, pardon? What?
Magnum Fridays in the line.
Yeah,
Bread
back. Big up yourself.
Hold on, no.
Yeah,
Let me just
go
start
ahead.
like a thing I know, cause remember from what year, Sasha. Me not see the female host over here. I can't manage Sasha.
Sasha is extremely good.
So when Bread back the likes and go Clarendon Curvy people, them the likes oops.
But obviously,
and get beaten. But here one now.
people don't like change either.
Hold on, no. Here one now, no. Bread back, my glad you join live. Take a beating right now. Cause you get the next one, you know. And you need to make the people know from the get go. Say yo, this are the change of format. Cause you see it. So you know England people don't like changing us.
But there's a time and place for everything, though.
Hold on.
Because hold on, no, if he had done it, I'm looking at it. If it is a case that he had done it, then a lot of persons might not have tuned in.
No. Listen, the show, people come to listen to your artists, them and thing,
Right.
but
But a lot of persons have tuned in to see Sasha as well.
To see Sasha as well. Yeah. But obviously, you have to give Sasha respect because
Of course,
obviously
you have to put
she
respect
come
on
out
her
and
name.
showed her professionalism side up and she come on the live.
Right.
And she wasn't bashing up. She didn't attack nothing negative.
She was
had
enjoying the
them
show.
forward and
Right.
everything, which is right.
Right.
See, after the live, me not hear she attack no bad. Me see my bread, but she up on bread back live right through. Dog, them thing happening, you know. Who saw them
happens,
sitting
exactly.
at change last minute? Sometime I book for y'all party and then the promoter or me or something happened. and
Something happens
it
and
change
there's a
and me say,
change.
yo,
Yeah.
you know I work out. Or something no work out, you know. It change, somebody have feeling for me.
Fact doesn't
So
the
that-
fact
the
doesn't
show go
change.
on and the
That's
show
what
go
I was
on.
saying.
The
The
show
show
go
go on, so we have to give
Give
some
some all the artists them over there too.
Yeah.
big shout out Ragarugi, Smoothface, Pierre, One Lord God, Jester Dancehall who opened the show and who did a phenomenal job at doing that.
Yeah.
I don't want to say the young Yeshi Renee.
Yes,
Renee.
Yeah.
I mean, with her set, we saw the glitch, but she forward back and she go on with a bag of things. Birthday IGM, Critique, Coffee Brain, Ravo, and Dula.
And
Big up the whole of the artists,
Yeah.
them as well as Sushi who passed through as well.
Okay.
Danny Bless who was there as well. Everybody who brought the vibes, it was a good show. And shout out to Magnum Fridays Showcase team. We're wrapping it up.
Yeah.
Magnum Friday Showcase. You make me forget what me I gonna say.
The next topic you can make me drink
nonsense. And listen, I want to close the topic this way, right? So, the lives that are going on with the various different lives. You have Magnum Friday, you have UK versus. You have a
Right.
whole for different lives going. What may I ask going forward, may I beg this, please? We need not more of the lives, but we need a variation of difference of lives. For instance, not the same lineups, not the same artists, not the same
Want
type of-
versatility.
Yeah,
we want to
we
see
need somebody to
difference.
change it to
Right.
make it more dynamic because we like what go on already, you know. Because
Of
everybody
course,
really like and
of
it's
course.
nice, but we just need to see some more variation. Maybe if you're gonna do one next, we need to see a bands live.
I like live band.
Bands, yeah.
Band.
Maybe because I like the live bands aspect, but more I see that something there as well. Forward the night, so we just need a little variation.
And do remember the next showcase, the announcement has been made. There will be a live audience with 80 people. Go on to Magnum Fridays Instagram page.
Cool.
Click the link in the bio below. Click the link in the bio to get more details on that.
That's a drink up a little bit more rum. I don't feel like it's working yet.
Cool. All right.
Yes, we're gonna live audience next time, Brett say. So yes.
All right, so Rasta,
Next.
you make one drinks and we'll change the topic.
Yes, ladies and
So,
gentlemen, I'm going to be a
because-
bartender for a few.
Me say one little thing go on at Jamaica where they were.
What about gunshot?
Na Rick brother them shoot up a place, man. You know what thing go?
Or up so?
Yeah.
All right. Listen, more you point out what you can remember.
Everybody watch it.
Everybody watch it. But
Yeah.
the problem with me have
Yeah.
with this is what stand out most in people's mind.
What?
I mean, know what you gonna say. So tell me what you say.
Jamaican people don't afraid of gunshot.
No, it's not even that.
Yeah, man, Rick, why I say that?
Yeah.
If a man could hide back of your car, you're in there, you have so much shot of fire, you're in your car. Come out and
All
rev
right,
a vehicle. Yeah, idiot.
let's put the story out there. So for those who don't know what we're talking about, recently there's a video on social media that depicts criminals stuck in motor traffic in Jamaica, one of the highways, and the police approached them, and it turned out into a gun battle between the police and the gunmen and innocent civilians. Well, let me just give a story first, and then you say whatever. And innocent civilians was caught in the middle of it, and the video is all over the social medias platforms.
Yeah.
So
why I say that kind of story there? Need to correct a little bit. So
How?
basically, the gunman them go rob somebody earlier on.
Yeah, but I mean, never did I get a
Robber
part
man
about-
take away him gun.
Yeah.
And a driveway. You know, Jamaica have some little new camera. Them call it Jamaica Watch, Jamaica Eyeball or something like that. Bro, God, put up some camera on the road, you know. So them robber man, so you know, them control tower pick up the car and say, yo, we see it on the road. Yeah. So the man them do like so running insane.
That a go on.
And when the man them running in, the police them do like so, pay a shot of fire. Them no fire back, no shot, cause me say, yeah, recall now the man them can't fire back one shot, cause you know.
Them fire shot, man.
Bad man. Them no fire, no shot.
Them fire shot. Listen, watch
If
it.
them
Which
fire
video
shot,
you watch?
me say I watch a whole live video, man. I get the raw cut and edit. Me get about 3 angles of that video there.
Go and go watch again.
Listen what me I say.
Go and go watch
Them
again.
not I police them start shoot first. Let me tell you this. You see,
Jagan, all right, watch the
hold
video.
on,
Well,
hold on.
me find the
the
video.
first angle, you see the first angle,
Yeah.
you see the police car, we're over here, so the Jeep, yeah?
Yeah.
Over here, so. When that Jeep start shoot, cause when I watch the one from Rona, so with the boy where bust the gun.
Yeah.
And the Jeep from over here, so start shoot at the car first.
Yeah.
And the police boy over here, so we jump off of the bike and jump way, not the one we had back of the car, the other one we jump off of the bike.
No,
and
he
then,
was
so,
there
hold on,
before.
hold on.
Yeah.
In my second one start to fire shot, but the Jeep start fire in the car first. So when the man them do like so, I don't know if one squeeze off, but me not see no fire. The dust come out of them gun.
Gunshot fire.
At the Jeep, in a Jeep direction, the boy over here so put about 12 shot over there in a car. And you have squaddy, where him name Roman raising back a car hide. Eh?
All right, you see, that is the problem with me afraid that. We can watch it. Which Ivan, you don't have the video, Ivan? You have the video?
Uncle I have not have the video.
Uncle Ivan, we could have put it on the screen. But anyway,
Yeah.
if you want, you go over the blast side, tropics, any one of the social side that we spread.
So what you used to wrong in that video there?
Because people are focusing on the brother where I hide back of the car
But what wrong?
and not paying attention to the bigger picture where the crime is at rampant and the problem we have, the bigger problem we have. But we just more like if we look on the fun part of it, we squad your hide and
Okay, you know me beat Andrew now though.
because me say, oh, you gonna beat Andrew for this?
Alright, you why me beat Andrew?
Why, you know?
Alright. Everybody know Jamaica run scene. Know in Jamaica, you, as a ghetto youth, you can go link anybody where you know for your machine. You might don't have one, but you know where to get one and know where to link somebody for one.
Alright.
So you as a youth, where you know say, get on a big education, a big formal work or them thing there. The whole country in a lockdown scene, nothing na go on. If police out the road that tell us if go in by 2 o'clock and them fuck ready at 8 o'clock scene, you can't make the money. You have a gun, you're hungry, your bill needs to pay, your baby mother wants something every day.
That's still not can.
Listen, Rick, every day your baby mother call and say, you're workless, dirty, drunk, you can't mind your pitney.
Yeah.
Frustration get you head, so you do like so boom, so you might have a one gun. You say, all right, I go try rob Mr. Chin, because Mr. Chin make be money, you know, because remember you're hungry, you know, no money, you know. See? So you do like so boom, so go up on a robbery, and you start like so, because you realize that everybody appear rob and killing. Scammer, not now go on for scammer, you know. Not now go on for scammer no more.
Prince Akeem, we see the video, but we're not going to be showing it on air. Sorry, bro.
Things are going.
Yeah.
See? So, because the country locked down and the little man them were used to can't hustle even after dance all reggae music when dance shall keep. Them little having the cut out. Little man them could have sell down a West Street and them place there.
Yeah.
Down a Pink Lane.
Or down a clock.
You know?
So
You
basically,
can't do it again. So, here we go on now. When the poverty level lead to a little point and you have your gun, you're not going to sell your gun for 50 grand or 100 grand, you know, because you say, yo, when that money in the name off,
You know,
and they say you rather take your gun and go rob a man 50 grand and tomorrow you say, I go rob 50 more.
but that is the mindset that is killing us.
But,
that is what
but
is
Rick,
hurting
hold on,
us. You are thinking about the short term.
Who have the port and the airport and everything? Remember, you know, the first gun them have some gun down there. See all gun them where you see.
Yeah.
Where them find. Remember them gun there Jamaica from the 80s, from PNP and the labor right them a war scene.
Yeah.
Most of the new gun them now, we call it a scamming money by them gun, the artist money, a politician by some of them gun there too. So you have to understand certain
No,
things.
but
You
you have to be careful what you
these things,
because you can be a part of the problem to the dragon.
yeah, I can be a part, but you want to Rick.
By you saying this, you're helping
by
the narrative.
me saying this, me not help the narrative because
Of course.
why me come out so strongly about this? Because remember Andrew Holness, he blame dance hall the other day and say
Yeah, but you can't blame Andrew. No, one time I got stand for Broga there. So.
Yeah, labor right, man. That's why.
Me I got stand for Broga there. So.
You can't come a foreign that they have
Alright,
politics.
let me say what me I
say
say now. Can me give you a chance to talk? Because you condone the brother will have the gun, regardless if you never.
I'm not condoning him. I'm just explaining his narrative. Why? Because Rick, watch you know.
No, but this.
You think me are dead for hungry and me have one gun?
Hold on, make Rick respond to you.
It doesn't matter if you're dead for hungry and a white squad kill you. It doesn't give you any
It's not no right.
No right if you go take up a gun if you go kill somebody. And not even say kill if you go rob somebody.
Yeah.
Remember no, you forward that England and you come here, I know Jack, I know you're a hard working youth.
Yeah.
And you work for everything what you have. And a man if you just go take up a machine and come take away your one, so what you gonna do? You think that's right?
Me feel that way.
No, but it's the same way you are because you're out of the situation now.
Looking in.
You are say, it's alright for him. It's not alright for nobody. Listen, there's other ways they can channel the energy.
I never say alright, dog. I did not say it alright. Remember, every week, and me talk the same positive thing with you. Me have to look from the other side. Cause watch you know. If you're in a situation where you know say, yo, you don't have it, and you can't get the work, you can't find it. Cause remember, no whole opportunity to down there, you know.
Yeah.
See? You can't get a work, you get a youth. Sometimes them look for your address. They send out a little CV, them and say, should that not been here?
And that's been going on for years.
That's still a go on, see? So when I do like so, you look hustling what the man them could have done.
Yeah.
Go build one little stall and go to road. Push one little cart and go dance, go sell and them. Them thing they cut out, see, Rick?
For now.
You can't go down to, but here one, it a go on almost a year now. So how you expect people to live, see? How you expect people to live for this long and you and like a
there's
foreigner
no support.
where you have no support.
There is problem. There
are
problem.
issues with
it is
it,
problem.
of course,
So
definitely.
So the government, this hard lockdown where them put in place, them should have known say yo, we have a crime problem and this uncle gonna emphasize it.
Which is true.
So
Jay
in
Jones
in all of this Rick, the government have to have a hand in this Rick because the bro got them. Let me tell you this, dog. I mean I said this for weeks. You see what them all them care about? On the coast them man. Remember hotel full right through in a party. Remember every club a hotel keep every night, you know. So all club can keep in a hotel because you're on hotel property scene.
Yeah.
And you can do be a fucker down there. And go and be a things, but the club them are rather for luck.
Well,
So
that's a difference. That's a difference.
where you
we've
have
been
that
speaking about that for
imbalance,
weeks,
you
and we
have this
still can't find the
imbalance
answer to it.
You have this imbalance because people see it and people know because
And it's
remember,
unfair. It's
remember,
unfair.
you know, you have people who have money. When them feel like and them get fed up, then say fuck it, either them fly go Florida or them just book out one weekend on the North Coast and go party with them friend and just do them thing.
Right.
That's true.
Jay Jones, just to answer your question, the men who were in the shootout with the police officers had just killed someone and robbed him of his firearm and were on their way about their business when the policemen jumped into action. And I think it was it a chase? I think it was a chase. And somebody said, I think it was you as well that said innocent people's lives were put at risk. It is true.
It is
but
true.
on the flip side, the police officers we have to commend them on the swift action that they took.
They did well, but
they did
obviously, you see, if that thing like this happened here and somebody did get hurt, I think the police officer would be facing charges of gross negligence because obviously you don't want to attempt or start a shootout in a busy
daylight traffic area.
Look on the Rick, like you have to give God the glory, you know, cause
said nobody else.
the amount of shot of fire, me not see nobody else can get shoot ups.
Exactly.
It's a thing like this, yeah, say it's good and it's bad because you see sometime to where I call it. People who have to know if conduct themselves as police because I don't feel like them get them formal training because if you watch certain thing over here in a foreign house you go, if a police them decide say yo it's too risky for run down your car, like police stopping you decide for run and they must say no sir it'll get too dangerous, they make you go on.
But
I say you go in, I say you do, they make you go on, you know.
But obviously this thing in Jamaica they're just trying it out now and they're not used to it yet. So
until
because it's good because
really,
remember
really
the brother him just kill somebody up the road, you know.
Up the road and
It
yeah,
good.
yeah,
Me
yeah.
say
And
it's
5
good and
minutes
bad.
down the road,
Yeah,
them
it's good
catch
and
him.
bad.
Catch him.
How many times the complain in Jamaica?
Yeah,
say this and that?
but it's sad to say, but I'm waiting for when the corruption starts because we know the Jamaican police system.
Yeah.
It's going to be.
But for
corrupted.
now, one up
But
for
for
Jamaica.
now,
Next-
one up
Yeah.
for Jamaica, zero
Yeah.
for the
I
dirty
want
boy.
up
Them.
still.
Yes.
continue.
We're gonna actually wrap up still. It's 12 minutes to the hour of 10. Am I? Yes.
One last thing, one last update for the news.
Go ahead.
So there was 2 person that died on the scene, and this is what puzzles me. This is not puzzle me, but we know what happened. The third person was pronounced dead today. Yes, today or yesterday? Because I've seen it from TVJ News.
Okay.
But we know what happened.
Them shoot him in a jeep, man.
We know what happened because they said that he succumbed from injuries from the scene.
So
But-
him never get shoot up at the
Bad
scene.
man, the way me see them
but
man, they
the
walk
way you
strong,
see-
him never
you
get
see-
no shot.
him never, because that's what I'm saying. The way we see him walk out, good,
Brother.
we know exactly what happened
But
when him reached.
we see too much time, look, I remember, you know. Me see
With
with
your-
my
yeah,
eye
yeah,
ball.
yeah,
People
yeah.
tell police, shoot him.
Yeah.
And the police take his boots and shot him.
Yeah.
And you see,
gosh.
up till this day, that man, you know, that one
Exactly.
day I presume no go.
So he was pronounced dead.
Today.
Succumbed to his injuries.
Conveniently.
I saw it going up, like, where the
Conveniently.
police line go, the gunman, you know, tried to escape in nearby bushes.
Yeah.
And on the way to Kingston Public Hospital, he succumbed to an injury. Yo, I want to
DJ
have script up at JD. Or up at
Probably
JD.
they get them recited. DJ Mix said if Jamaican people never run, them just stay
Yeah,
and watch with them phone before them run. No, they have to document it. Remember, say Jamaica is a never-ending movie, you know. Is a
You think shot of
continuous
the eye?
series. My father usually say if you say care part in hospital bed.
Yeah, when you see me, you think it's a Urks a dragon. No.
It's yeah.
Them and Dale Elliott, you know, the comedian.
Yeah,
He made
yeah.
if anybody watches his videos, he made a very, very important point that people in the media industry need to hire Jamaicans to be a part of their media team because any little thing what happen,
Yeah.
them have it.
Big man thing. When I see one good piece of journalist work on TVJ or CVM, like I see them catch something in the act.
Yeah, because they never did a
no.
journalist.
Yeah, man,
I people them give them the news. Most time I
That's
footage from the
Rick.
social media them use.
you see, the man they will come my place with the big camera pan show. Like,
Them always get the
You
aftermath.
can't go sell them
Yeah.
there. They not run things.
Them always get the aftermath. The
iPhone.
Jamaican people always have them phone pan charge. Them always have them power bank.
Yeah.
I know the easy access of getting your camera
Brother,
open.
well, I know. You
Them have it locked.
see the first video will come out with the ombre where a video stream carry glass. Me I wonder say if him put
Him
him video
brave.
on a stand.
Panastan are just
And
ready for
ride on.
press.
Yeah, you realize the boss
Cause
no
well, I
shit.
know.
He no move one
That
time.
video there steady.
Yeah, and you know the boss a move with the action as
Oh
well.
my
The
gosh.
video steady.
Big up that you would say.
The man have
Brave.
nerves that steel and shot a fly, you know.
But yeah, I'm glad that, as we said, the Jamaica police force were swift in their response. And unfortunate them dead, but I mean, justice was served. We can't say justice was served because them dead. I don't know.
I was somebody got prison say that man. But the fuck we call remember, you know,
mean, okay.
them have a mother and father and sister and
That
brother
is true.
too, so
Some
me nah go say.
they're human beings as well.
Alright, yeah.
But yeah, it is now
It's-
9 minutes to the hour of 10 o'clock.
Yes.
If you don't know, if you're joining us for the first time, we are your Upnlive show team. We are here every Tuesday between 9 and 11. We are sponsored by Shush Prince, and we have our special guests, Black Knight Sound. That's
Black Knight Sound.
That's their Instagram name. They are waiting in the
The
wings.
past
The past and the present and more most possibly the future because they know we can play triangle. Ting. But we're gonna drop some songs and then set things and then bring them
Forward
in.
back.
Yeah, so stick and stay. Don't move. Don't touch that dial. We'll be right back. Yeah.